In this quick video, I am going to show you how to delete custom superstars in WWE 2K25. So in case you have downloaded any superstar from the community creations and now you want to delete it, so don't worry, there are two ways to delete any downloaded superstar. For that we need to go back from here and then go to the creations tab. Under it go to superstar, and from here we need to use this key combination to filter it to custom superstar. And you can see I have downloaded these two custom superstars and now I want to delete one of them. So to delete it we just need to select the superstar and then go to the delete superstar option and accept this attention warning, and then your superstar will be deleted. So this was the first method. For the second method we need to go back from here and then go to the options tab. Under it go to extras, and from here go to deletion utility, and then from here we need to go to custom superstars, and then you will be able to see all of the custom superstars you have downloaded. You can select multiple superstar by simply selecting it. If you have multiple superstars, then you can go over any superstar and you can select multiple superstars from this deletion utility, so that it can help you in deletion of multiple things. So I have just one superstar, I have selected him, and then use this key which is shown on the bottom of the screen, which is delete superstar content. So we need to press this key and then accept this attention warning, and then all of the things will be deleted for your superstar. And you can see I have deleted everything. So this is the process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.